Many people, including individual creators, businesses, and influencers, have found success in monetizing their TikTok content through various methods such as sponsored content, live streaming, e-commerce, brand deals, and promoting viral challenges. However, it's important to note that making money on TikTok requires a significant following and engagement, and success is not guaranteed. In order to monetize your content on TikTok, you will typically need to have a substantial following and engagement on the platform, as well as high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Additionally, it's important to be familiar with TikTok's policies and guidelines around monetization, and make sure to comply with them. Here are the top 5 ways to make money on TikTok. 1. Sponsored content. Brands will pay you to create content that promotes their product or service. The content should be aligned with your existing brand and audience and should be clearly marked as sponsored. The amount you can earn will depend on the brand, your reach and engagement, and the type of content you create. 2. Live streaming. TikTok offers live streaming as a feature, and you can earn money by accepting virtual gifts from viewers. Viewers can purchase virtual gifts, such as hearts or diamonds, and send them to you during your live stream. These gifts can be exchanged for real money, and the amount you can earn will depend on the number and value of the gifts you receive. 3. E-commerce. You can use TikTok to promote your own products or services and drive sales through the platform. You can include links to your website or online store in your profile or in the captions of your videos, and encourage viewers to make a purchase. 4. Brand deals. Brands may approach you for exclusive partnerships or sponsorships, which can provide a significant source of income. This can include creating sponsored content, hosting giveaways, or creating a product line with the brand. 5. TikTok challenges. TikTok challenges are often a great way to reach new audiences and create viral content. By creating and promoting a viral challenge on the platform, you could potentially earn money through sponsored content and merchandise sales. Working with brands to sponsor the challenge and drive additional revenue is a good idea. That being said, earning money on TikTok isn't something that happens overnight, but rather it's something that will grow over time as you build your audience, engagement, and reputation on the platform. But as long as you put effort and are consistent in creating content, then you're in a good way to make money.